Ulitin ko naman feedback kung may the stocks. Wait lang kasi ang
Ada man ako hakuan, cold wind, hapalo, nagre-repair aircon. Gusto ko to. 15,000 lang here. Gusto ko, kaya lang parang naaalog naman. 7,900, pwede din. Pero mas gusto ko yung mahaba. Slim na mahaba, ayoko yung malapad. Yan. Ito, 18,000. So yan na lang kasi pull out bed eh. 2 weeks.
Hey there, homeowners! Welcome to another episode of MF Home TV. Today, we'll be talking about the most important piece in your bedroom, and that is the mattress.
2 weeks pa siya, made to order. Pwede ka maka-request color?
Ano yung duha man lang ko din yung color, man. Gray, ngayon, brown, man.
Green?
Gray.
Gray?
Gray.
Ah, okay. Pwede ko mga pangaron, contact number.
Pwede man, ma'am.
18,000 na lahiya, pero... Ha?
Order pa, ma'am.
Order pa by 2 weeks.